Namaste, I am Yogacharya Manoj Joshi, and in this video, I'm going to explain how you can rewire your brain in just 21 days using the Yoga Nidra reset protocol. Can you really change your brain in 21 days? The short answer is yes, but not through willpower, motivation, or positive thinking, through something far more fundamental: neuroplasticity. In the next few minutes, I'm going to explain the science behind our 21-day reset protocol, why 3 weeks is the minimum effective dose for real change, and how you can start today for free. Neuroplasticity is your brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Every time you repeat a thought, an action, or an experience, you strengthen the neural pathway associated with it. This works in both directions. If you spend years worrying, ruminating, and living in stress, you strengthen those pathways. The stress response becomes your brain's default setting. It becomes automatic. But the reverse is also true. If you consistently practice deep relaxation, calm breathing, and positive intention, you begin building new pathways. Pathways for calm, for clarity, for deep rest. Neural rewiring is an engineering challenge that requires repetition. You can't meditate once and expect transformation. You need consistent, daily practice over a sustained period. Research in behavioral psychology and neuroscience converges on a similar finding: significant habit formation and neural pathway strengthening requires a minimum of approximately 3 weeks of daily repetition. This is why every reset program in our 21 Steps Wellness program is built around a 21-day structure. It's not arbitrary. It's the minimum effective dose to produce measurable, lasting change. Our 21-day protocol is divided into 3 phases, each building on the last. Phase 1: Awareness, days 1 through 7. The first week is about becoming aware of what's happening in your body and mind. Most people have been living in chronic stress for so long that they've normalized it. They don't even notice their jaw is clenched, their shoulders are up by their ears, or they're breathing shallowly. During phase 1, the guided Yoga Nidra sessions focus on body scanning and breath observation. Participants begin to notice tension patterns they've been carrying unconsciously. The body starts releasing. People report their shoulders dropping, jaw pain disappearing, stomachs unclenching for the first time in years. Phase 2: Regulation, days 8 through 14. In the second week, the practice goes deeper. Now that the body has begun to soften, the mind becomes the focus. This is where deeper breath regulation, emotional release, and sankalp work come in. The guided sessions use specific visualization themes tailored to each reset track: calming blue light for sleep, warm golden energy for emotional healing, cool silver for mental clarity. Participants often report a significant shift during this phase. The mental chatter that kept them awake at night starts to quiet. Emotional triggers lose some of their charge. there's a growing sense of inner spaciousness. Phase 3, Integration, days 15 through 21. The final week is where everything comes together. By now, the body knows how to relax quickly. The mind has practiced letting go. The practice starts feeling almost effortless. The goal is no longer just relaxation during the session. It's carrying that calm baseline with you into your workday, your relationships, your high-pressure moments. Participants describe a fundamental shift in how they relate to stress. Not that stress disappears, but their capacity to return to calm after stress increases dramatically. The recovery muscle is now trained. The 21-day protocol exists across 5 different reset tracks, each addressing a specific dimension of well-being. The sleep reset is designed for anyone struggling with insomnia, restless nights, or unrestorative sleep. It works with evening practices, cooling imagery, and progressive nervous system downregulation. The stress reset targets chronic tension and the overactivated fight or flight response. It focuses on the solar plexus, the body's stress center, and uses breath and visualization to release accumulated pressure. The mental reset addresses mental overload, racing thoughts, and cognitive fatigue. It works with the third eye center and uses practices designed to quiet the analytical mind. The emotional reset supports emotional healing, processing grief or overwhelm, and opening the heart center. It uses warm, nurturing imagery and gentle breath work. The energy reset is for those experiencing depletion, fatigue, or a sense of disconnection from vitality. It works with the root and sacral centers to reignite the body's natural energy. Each track uses the same foundational Yoga Nidra methodology, but the visualization themes, breath techniques, and awareness focus areas are specifically tailored to the target outcome. Here's how the journey works. Right here on this channel, you can access the first 3 days of each reset track, completely free. These 3-day previews give you a direct experience of the practice and help you identify which track resonates most with your current needs. If you want to go deeper, the full 7-day journey takes you through the complete phase 1, calming the body, with daily guided sessions and progressive depth. This is available through our guided program on Wajuba. And if you're ready for the full transformation, the 21-day journey takes you through all 3 phases: awareness, regulation, and integration, with a new session every day for 3 weeks. This is the full protocol. Many people start with the free 3-day preview, feel the difference, then commit to the 7-day and eventually complete the full 21-day reset. There is no pressure. Start where you are. Your brain is already changing every day. The question is whether it's changing in the direction you want. 21 days of intentional practice is all it takes to shift your nervous system's default setting from stress to calm, from overload to clarity, from exhaustion to vitality. This isn't motivation, it's neuroscience, and the practice is waiting for you. Pick a reset track, start with day 1, and give yourself permission to change. All the free sessions are linked in the description below. I'm Yogacharya Manoj from Wellness by All Means. Thank you for being here. Subscribe for more. Namaste.